So getting creative with your navigation, again, play around with the location of your navigation. It can be in the corners, at the top, or the bottom of the page. It doesn't have to be glued right here in the center. But wherever it is located, try to keep it consistent for the user throughout the experience. This is just great UX design for the user experience to make sure they know how to continue navigating in this. So you might have noticed each week we kind of maintain the same interactions of how to open these pop-ups, close them, not getting too crazy with how we change the interactivity itself and how you can navigate throughout. Because once the user starts learning how to interact with it, navigate, then they get more comfortable with the experience too. So try to keep it consistent with the icon you're using, the location it might be in. Again, it's not a hard and fast rule. You can change maybe where that circle was in the scroll example, but just keep the icons consistent. Ooh, and there was another question if you can add object states on arrows for navigation or if that will mess things up. No, you can absolutely add object states. We actually do use we used object states in that navigation example we saw earlier too.